Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hijab Upworkwali and I am a student of Rehan School Karangi campus. I am studying in class 7. My class name is Future Navigators. So today's we have the very honorable and grateful guest whose name is Arsal Imran. So let's go and about himself and now the life journey. So hello sir, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
I am good. Okay sir, so first of all I want to thank you to come in my show and give me your valuable time.
No worries with that.
Okay, sir. So before moving on the question, please introduce yourself.
All right. So my name is Arsal Imran. I am basically based from Khan and currently living in Islamabad. My story started from a photographer and a blogger, and then I moved from Khan to Islamabad to study software engineering. All right, and after that, uh, mm, apart from my studies, I have been involved in many social activities, co-curricular and extracurricular activities as well. And my professional experiences lies in web development, sales, marketing, graphic design, teaching, and project management as well. So this is my you can say that placeholder interview info about myself.
Amazing. Okay, sir. So my next question: what led you to become a software engineer?
All right. I wrote my first line of code in eighth grade, and it was digital basic. And at this stage, I discovered myself a problem solver. And then after that, I moved to learning C language, which is medium level language, so that uh, the passionate I discovered spontaneously in myself led me to decide that this is the field for me. I should go into software engineering and make coding a career.
Amazing. Okay, sir. So what specific programming languages and technologies do you excel in?
I'm expertise in web development and technology associated with web. If you ever heard of full stack web development, it includes React language, React framework, and this is basically JavaScript in the core. All right. And as far as my overall experience is concerned, I have hands on over 12 different programming languages so far. So you can say that as a software engineer, you must be familiar with the syntax and basic syntax and pseudocode, and that's all. You must be a problem solver, no matter what the language is. So if you are a problem solver, you can adopt any language, any framework, anything.
Okay, sir. So my next question: how do you stay updated? Sorry, how do you stay updated with the latest developments in the tech industry?
All right, there are many blogs which you can subscribe. You can read them daily, weekly, and monthly basis. You can stay connected with the social media influencers. You can say that YouTubers. There is a huge tech community on Facebook as well, and you can say that the buzzwords that are happening inside the industry. You can anytime get an update with via email, via surfing, via scrolling your social media. So there are endless possibilities. You get latest trend on your scrolling screen.
Okay, sir. So my next question: can you share an example of a challenging software development project you have worked on, and how you overcame the challenges?
Software, uh, can you reiterate that question? This is so long. Can you share an example of challenges of software development projects you have worked on, how you overcame the challenge? Exactly. As a part of our FIP project, there was a challenge. Basically, we faced an impossible app, which is basically an app which can make another apps. Basically, we were into OS side of things of Android as well. So after learning, after discovering that this is practically almost near to impossible for us to make an Android app like that. So this made us into uh, this scenario thrown us into a dilemma. Should we move toward an easy project or not, so that we have to limit ourselves as well. Uh, s- uh, and after that there was an research part in which we have to devise another strategy to make it possible. All right. There is huge research involved in this kind of thing. You have to make entire operating system which is working 24/7 on backend, and this operating system has SDK installed, so that whenever an app is submitted via mobile phone, that server converted that app runtime on the backend and uh, shown us showed its layout only. So this is the problem we have faced, and that was one of the toughest problem I have encountered so far during our final year project in university.
Okay, so my next question: as an extrovert, how do you leverage your communication skills in your software engineering work?
How do you leverage your uh, as an extrovert? We have challenges as well. So one of the challenge I overcame is the challenge of speaking publicly and presenting my work before a crowd, before a team, before supervisors. And these are the challenges extrovert face as well, because they have a skill set which is greater than you. All right. So you have to be confident, you have to be precise, and you have to pitch your idea. Basically, you have to pitch your decision. You have to justify each and everything logically. Why did you do this and do that? So basically, this is a challenge we software engineers. Basically, we are more into screen thing, and this this thing can lead us to introvertism. We convert into introverts after spending so much time before screen. So this is the thing you have to keep in pace with, and you can say that you have to manage your social skills as well.
Okay, so my next question: tell us about a time when you had to collaborate with a diverse team of developers with different skill set. How did you handle it?
I did not get your question. There was so much noise there, and your question was not showing on the screen as well. Can you reiterate your question, please?
Hello, sir. Are you hearing me? Hello, sir. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm hearing you. Hello,
Hello, sir.
hello. Are you hearing me? Hello. Am I
Hello,
audible to
sir.
you?
Yes, sir. Okay, so hello, sir.
Hello. Hello. Nothing. Hello. Are you hearing me?
Okay, sir. So my next question: what do you enjoy most about being part of a local communities, and how do you see it contributing to solving larger problems?
What do you enjoy most about being a part of local community? All right, being a part of local community, this is so much amazing to interact with people who lack technical knowledge about our industry. So basically, this is the pitching part of myself, which I love the most. And currently, I am teaching programming to the student with of matriculation. He's doing matric and he's learning React with me. So basically, this is the preaching stuff which we do in local communities to make uh, our generation, our coming generation, more technologically aware of themselves, so that they can solve bigger problems. You can say that, and the problems like that, and we are focused on basically upskilling our coming generation. All right, so this is a thing which excites me most, and being technologically aware of things, yeah, this is a part of preaching as well, and that's it.
Okay, sir. So my next question: have you annotated or led any community-based projects or events related to technology or software development?
Yes, we have done Let's Connect movement inside Islamabad, where freelancers meetup took place in I-8 sector, and we have also leading Tehreek programming initiative as a part of my local community. All right, so basically these are two events we are currently dealing with, and we are hosting these kind of events in future as well.
Okay, sir. So my next question: how do you balance your work as a software engineer with your community building effort?
How do you balance your work as a software engineer with your community building effort? It don't take so much time. It takes only 1 to 2 hours a day, and basically this is nothing as compared to the time we waste on our social media scrolling. Nothing. So um, this is not a hectic thing. Any person can manage 1 to 2 hours for social cause. So this does not lead you to work-life imbalance thing.
Okay, sir. So my next question: can you share an example of a successful community-driven product you have been a part of or lead?
Sorry, your voice got disrupted again. Can you reiterate your question?
Yes, sir.
Your voice got disrupted again, and I did not hear you. So can you reiterate your question again?
Uh, okay, so my question: can you share an example of a successful community-driven project you have been a part of or led?
The Let's Connect was a successful event for us, and we are hoping that this community will grow to considerable levels. Every day we are seeing a bunch of activity. We are doing collabs with our industry experts, and you can say that this is a success, and this was a successful event. So you can say that that's Let's Connect movement of Islamabad was a success for us, and we are seeing that every day in our WhatsApp group there's been happening many calls between members, collabs, and hiring things, and people are doing HR activities inside the group. So this is a success basically.
Okay, sir. So my next question: what are the key challenges you face when building and maintaining local communities?
The challenge is communication. You have to be precise and you have to be influential, and sometimes we lack this skill as a public speaker and as a host. All right, so this is the only challenge we people lack: communication, both in English as well as Urdu. All right, so people fewer communicate with each other. They don't express themselves. They don't express their problems. They talk less. So you have to influence them. You have to endorse them to speak for themselves on stage. So basically, this is the uh, aim of the leadership as well. We are going to make not blind followers. We are making leaders who can do leadership roles before everyone, before their seniors, before their juniors. We are just endorsing everyone to be a leader and practice their skills. No problem with that. If you are introvert, if you are extrovert, if you lack the knowledge and whatever, you just have to speak before a crowd, irrespective of the things. So this is a challenge we face in doing local community meetups.
Okay, thanks for answer. So, my next question: how do you motivate and how do you motivate and engage people to actively participate in community initiatives?
Exactly. You have to motivate by, you can say that by motivational talks, by sharing relevant content, by endorsing healthy activities in groups, by having some quizzes, by having some interactive activities inside community, inside online community especially. And if people are comfortable online in chatting with each other online, there is a semi decent chance they will be okay with them in physical space as well. All right. So there are many people I meet after there, and it was successful meetup. I enjoyed their company after meeting uh, them. My first interaction with them was online, and after that, I met them physically in ground. So it was amazing experience for me, and we can say that this is the basically we are tearing our culture trends, and we are basically doing this thing against our culture. All right, so this is the challenging stuff as well. You have to endorse people, you have to uh, discuss on critical topics which are considered taboo, and you have to be bold enough to discuss things that really matter, and people appreciate it as well.
Okay, sir. So, my next question: what role does networking play in your career, and how do you build and maintain professional relationships?
For professional relationships, we have LinkedIn. All right, so you have to be uh, your profile must be professional, well written, and well versed profile. And after that, once you have significant connections, you can pitch any professional individual via custom invite. You copyright a short message so that your professional connection get noticed, and they usually there is a 90% and 95% chance if they are interested in you, they will surely gonna be accepting it. All right, for professional correspondence, we recommend LinkedIn. All right, so Facebook is not so professional, but after that wave of you can say that personal branding, Facebook is becoming professional gradually as well. You can pitch people uh, directly in DM or under the comments, so people can click on your profile and see your stuff, and they can connect with you. So basically, you have to make hooks on your profile so that people get to know your work, your attitude, things you are doing, and after that, they directly contact you.
Okay, sir. So, lastly, can you share any advice for aspiring software engineers who also want to make a positive impact on their local communities?
Yeah, you should be friend everyone, uh, the people who are younger than you, the people who are elder than you. You must be open to new people, new ideas, new ideologies. You must have the aptitude to see things from a different perspective and welcome everyone's opinion. All right, so uh, it doesn't matter what is your university, what you are doing, and uh, either it is top ranked university or not. If you're the part of online community, you can excel as well, whether you have a university or college degree or not. If you are the part of professional community, you can excel your career. And I have seen that I have seen many students from the biology background in programming as well. They do bioinformatics and directly land in artificial intelligence and data science field. So there are infinite possibilities that people from any background can contribute to computer science industry. So you have to be open, you have to be expressive, you have to be searching for new avenues, communities inside your social media, and you will be landing anywhere.
Okay, sir, thank you so much for giving me your valuable time and give me many knowledge.
Thank you.
Okay, so viewers, I am Hijab Upworkwali and my guest Arsal Imran. So I hope that you enjoyed our interview and some learned our interview. So see you in my next interview. So Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.